In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for inventory tracking. This is a simple way to organize and manage your stock or product list. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create an inventory tracker. For example, I might type, "Create an inventory tracking spreadsheet for a small business." After typing the prompt, I'll click the Send button. Claude will generate a table or spreadsheet-style tracker, usually including columns like product name, quantity, price, and status. If I want a more detailed tracker, I can include more information in my prompt, such as the type of products, categories, or tracking needs. For example, I might type, "Create an inventory tracker with columns for product ID, supplier, stock level, and reorder status." Claude can also help update or manage the inventory by analyzing changes or suggesting restocking needs. Once the tracker is ready, I can copy or download the content and use it in Excel, Google Sheets, or my inventory system. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI for inventory tracking. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.